Hello everyone, A.S.S. Science Foundation welcome you all. So today we are here with one of the special story of one of our student, Monica. She was preparing with us in the live online program for NET-JRF Environmental Sciences and all other PhD entrances, where she was appearing for all the other entrances and interview. And recently she has given the entrance and interview at NIFTEM SONEPAT, which is one of the very prestigious lab of the Ministry of Food and Agriculture, where she secured rank 2 in the final merit list for the admission to PhD program under the Department of Agriculture and Environmental Sciences. On this achievement, the entire faculty team of the A.S.S. Science Foundation congratulate Monica and wish her good luck for the future PhD program. At present, the institute is offering offline classes at the Delhi Center and the online classes live from anywhere across the globe. For NET-JRF Environmental Sciences, all the other PhD entrances, and GATE Ecology, Evolution, Environmental Science and Engineering. The institute also providing the guidance for the application to the US or European region for the PhD and master's program. We are also providing these counseling and guidance to undergraduates who are targeting master's program in biotech, life sciences, environmental sciences, and other allied sciences. So those who are interested, they can reach us on the given numbers or via our web page. We wish Monica good luck for future and a great success ahead. Thank you.